Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fully uninstall and remove McAfee antivirus software from your window. Okay, 10 11. So I will show you perfect methods. There is a 2 3 method that you can use, and you can fully uninstall that McAfee antivirus software. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay, first you simply come to your browser and you can search for McAfee uninstaller. Okay, search for McAfee uninstaller. So here remove the McAfee. Okay, so here come to this link. Okay, just it will be open. Okay, now here how to download the install McAfee product. So we need to use download this MCPR tools from the McAfee official. Okay, you need to download it. Just open and download and just okay, need to agree it. Okay, just put that code here to uninstall that. Okay, it was wrong. Let me okay, it's downloading now. Okay, wait for a few seconds. Okay guys, so it takes too much time. It is like removing the McAfee product. Okay, after its completion you need to just follow the 2 3 step, then the McAfee antivirus will be removed. Okay, this is first method. Now let me show you the second method. Okay, go to the settings, come to the search bar and go to the settings. Okay, and here go to the app, and here go to the installed app. Okay, search for that McAfee. Okay, just search for that McAfee antivirus. I don't have that all software, it's already uninstalled. Okay, search for that McAfee software and just find out, and just click on this three dot option and make it click on this uninstall options, then it will be uninstalled. Okay, and you can also go to the control panel, go to the search, type for control panel. Okay, and here you can go to the small or large icon and go to the that program on uninstalls feature. Go to the programs and features. Here you need to find out that McAfee software. I don't have, but you need to just click on the software like this, right click on it and uninstall it. Okay, sometimes what happened, especially antivirus software, when we uninstall it, or still there is something or some files still there and they're showing up. So maybe sometime the antivirus software not fully uninstalled. Okay, even we uninstall from this control panel or from app. For this situation you can do one thing, you can completely uninstall from your window. There is a separate methods I will show you. Okay, you go to the registry editor, search here registry editor, just open it. Okay, and here we have some that hk files. So first we need to go in that hk current user, go to the software and find here that McAfee software folder. If you find that, just right click on it, select this, right click on it and just delete it. Okay, so while you deleting, if you get any error or error for permissions, like, then you need to just right click again, go to the permission and choose your current user. Okay, so this is my current user as an administrator, so make sure this has been check marked. So in by default this is check mark for me, so you need to just enable both full control and read and apply it. Okay, then try to delete and then it will be delete. Okay, so you need to find that McAfee software name folder. Okay, and then you need to delete it under the software options. Now we need to go in this hk local machines. Here same, we need to go in software, find out that software name which McAfee, right click on it, delete it. Okay, and here in this section also, this is, well, if you're using 32 byte, then you need to go this software as a folder. Same here, you need to find out that software name. If you find this, if you found this software folder name, just right click on it and delete it. Same, now we need to go in HK user only, go to the defaults, and here go to the softwares, find that McAfee folder name, right click on it and delete it. Okay, the next we need to go in run, go to the search bar and type run, and here we need to type temp. Okay, and delete that all temp file. Just select all by clicking control plus A, and if you got this error, just make sure do this for all current item and make it skip. Okay, now again go to the run and just percentage, again temp, again percentage. Now we are come to the this app data temporary file. This is like cache. Okay, this is temporary file. Just select all, like by clicking control plus A, and just delete it. Okay, now go to the my computer and go to your Windows installed device drive. Okay, my window installed in this drive, in C drive, so I just need to go there. Here we will find the two folder, which is program file and program file 86. Okay, so first go to the program files and find that okay, find McAfee folder. If you found this, just select and right click and delete it. Okay, same, come back and same, go to the program file that 86 and find that McAfee folder name and just right click and delete it. Okay, so this is the step you need to take once you uninstall that antivirus software. It will be help you to fully uninstall that antivirus software McAfee. Okay, then you need to restart your PC or laptop, then you are ready and you are done with the installation of this software. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.